Something that is really trending right now in the US is Elon Musk's bricks, holding brick company. And yes, I was so excited when I saw it, because I really saw something similar to what we are also producing in Africa. The only thing that maybe separates with the sample that I have is that his have a protruding part here, which we also have, because you will see that in my videos, but this is what I have with me here. So this is a brick, and we call it an interlocking. It's a solid brick, but we put in some iron oxide to make the color. So these are our bricks, and these bricks you can build affordable housing. Did you know that we have over 50 million people who are homeless in the globe as we speak? Okay, and one of the basic needs for humanity is having shelter. And you who is out there, my friend who is living in the diaspora, and my friend who is living in the USA, Europe, wherever you are, one of the biggest things you can ever do with the resources you have, I mean just yourself, is to help somebody else to get somewhere to sleep. Now these are my bricks that I make. You don't need so much to start this kind of project. All you need is the right people. Hello, right people with the connections. Hello, connections. I'm here. And then the knowledge. Hello, I'm the knowledge source. I'm here. Yes. And then these local resources, we shall find them on ground. Guys, come on and join me with this. Now this is a paving stone. This is one of our products that we make. And guys, look. Okay, we do the things and we enable people living in places where affordable housing is actually on demand. So if you come with me and we do this, guys, your life is not going to be the same. Now, instead of you being in this cold winter house, sitting all winter through, having your blanket thrown all over around your legs, or maybe creeping in your bed, that they can be used in Africa, summer, all through, and we help to build this. It's exciting, you will see. And when I compare doing this in Europe, yes, we can do this in Europe, in America, wherever, but these countries are already developed. But so what I'm saying, that a person like you and me can go out, okay, far and beyond, and you build something similar, something that you have seen things that people haven't seen, maybe on ground. We can take your knowledge, your skill. If you're a retired person and you're out there and you're thinking, what can I do? How can I impact people on the globe? We can impact people by giving them shelter, helping them to acquire better and safe and sustainable shelters. So we can do that. Now, we are not going to, some of you are thinking, oh, maybe we are going to go to people who are very poor and no. We are going to people who have knowledge but different from ours. We are going to go to people who are skilled but in a different way from ours, okay? So what you do is you're going to add on something that is already existing, okay? So we have to keep their dignity, their integrity, and also keep your dignity and integrity. And we do something called kingdom business. So this is kingdom business we're going to do, guys. And this is why I'm doing this. Why I'm doing this is I started out by wanting to build my own house, okay? So I took this big machine, which I thought was a small machine, but it turned out to be a whole plant where I give people jobs, and you're going to see in my video where I give people jobs, and people are working. Not for me, but actually working for themselves. Their lives are changing. They have a livelihood that is better than what they had before. They have an income. They have decent lives in the society. And I'm making a change. And it's inspiring, because I get inspiration from here and then take it there. So I'm looking for you guys who, because I know out there's somebody who has this similar dream. You're dreaming of going to Africa, but you don't know how to start. You're dreaming of going to Africa to do something. Or maybe you want to reconnect, but you don't know where to go, who to ask. Hello? I'm a reliable contact. I have the knowledge, the skills, and I also have the experience. I've been there. I am there, okay? The knowledge, I've actually taken a huge step. I went back to and enrolled in an engineering course, and I'm an engineer, so I can build the things out of my, use my knowledge that I have acquired, the experience that I have, the things that I've seen, the skills that I have, and the skills that I'm acquiring right now, and the contacts and the network. Okay, so we can build this together. So guys, this is a paving stone, as you see. And how nice is this thing? Okay, so that is one of the products that we make, paving stones. And then we make these, and these people, you have seen them. You're not going to see them only here with me, by me, but these babies, you might be sitting in a brick house already where you are. Yes, yeah, brick house. You're sitting in a brick house. If it's not a brick house, then it's a concrete. It is a concrete made or built house. Now, it may differ in how they build the houses, because right now we're using panels, concrete panels. But yeah, it's the same ingredients, the same raw materials. So these are my bricks, and I'm showing you this is what I have to offer. Now, if you enroll in my coaching sessions, I'm going to teach you how you can set out the contacts you need to know. I'm going to teach you how to get land, because maybe your factory, you don't, let me tell you this. When we go and set out in Africa, everything is not in place. You're not going to get there and say, okay, I'm hiring that big building. You might, but it might cost you quite a lot more. So what we do normally, because it's easier for us to acquire premises, you can get a land, build a structure like you want it, and then get this simple machine, which is easily acquired in your country over here. We take these machines, the raw materials are on ground, and the workforce or labor is on ground. So we take these things and the machinery, okay, and then we set up a factory. Simple. And what I'm going to give you is the bricks or the blocks you need to set your factory up. I'm giving you the bricks or the blocks that you need, okay, to set your factory up. And the first 500 blocks that you get will be for free. Believe me, I'm doing that. It's costing me money, but I know you are worth it. You are worth it, and you are here, and we are going to do this together. Now, if you decide on paving your ground too, so you don't want to go, in what do they call it in Swedish? Giga, but in my language they call it enfufu, and then English they call it what? Dust. Then you can pave the ground. We have that too. So you're not going to go there in the middle of nowhere and you're like, hello, I'm coming here to make some impact, and who is here to help me? No, you have Barbara Ngabo. We are going to do our construction and development business. Or thank you, Nick and Megan, for helping us launch our businesses and giving us this opportunity to express our faith-given desires through Life on Fire. Thank you, Kate Smith, for calling me and having my one-on-one. It helped me a lot to put together my offer. Thank you, Joe, from the Answorth Angels. I'm so happy you called me and helped me with